October 6, 2024. I cycled to Huchting, Bremen. It was a nature trip in autumn and it happened to be an invasive plant moment. So this is the way to get there, from the direction of Bremen city. This is a dedicated bicycle road and there are no motorbikes or anything else. It is also neatly arranged. So the government really intends to make a bicycle path. Also because many Bremen residents cycle, the community is also very large. And this crosses a natural river. The surrounding area is kept natural and this is a path, an embankment that is indeed provided for cyclists. Approaching Bremen Airport, the asphalt path is smooth and the surrounding area is also maintained and the grass is also maintained. The bridge leads to the agricultural livestock area. Because it is autumn and is just harvested before winter, so now it is used for grazing. There are cows, horses. Well, this is the road to the agricultural and livestock area. There is a hut to rest and take shelter when it rains. The sun is about to set and these are the cows being herded. In autumn in the agricultural area, farmed in Huchting Bremen. The soft golden color of the setting sun, emitting the light of Megasenia over Huchting. Passing through a calm waterway and stretching through a beautiful and peaceful environment. Cycling in autumn is not only about feeling cool and just exercising, but also a moment to refresh the mind and can also be healing. Every pedal brings you closer to nature, fresher, closer to calm and tranquility. In this area many people walk or exercise, run, cycle on the path that has been provided. On the bicycle path there are no motorbikes or cars passing by, no cars parked carelessly, motorbikes entering the bicycle path. In certain places there are many information signs like this, education for the community, for visitors. The function of this area is to absorb water. There is a water flow for agriculture, then this humus will absorb water. Then in the city of Bremen, where is its position and what is its function? Here there is a forest area, a natural garden, there are chairs to sit and relax. Everything is orderly, clean. That is a pretty good harmony between nature and humans who utilize nature. Well, from here we can also see natural birds flying or being around the water. We can also see iron planes approaching the airport to land, because this is a landing strip.
Ini di kursi ini dulu Hana Hiro main sama Musa Isa. Kawasan hijau di Huchting. Nah ini di tempat-tempat tertentu di sini tuh banyak petunjuk informasi kayak gini, edukasi buat masyarakat, buat pengunjung. Misalkan untuk humus, terus ini buat menyerap air. Ini ada aliran air buat di pertanian, terus ini fungsi humus nanti menyerap air. Terus di kota Bremen posisinya di mana, terus fungsinya apa. Nah, itu di sana bandara Bremen. Di sini selokan aliran air. Sana pertanian, ladang, terus buat ternakan juga itu ada sapi, kuda. Terus ini wilayah hutan, kebun yang masih alam. Di sini ada kursi buat duduk santai. Ini juga ada papan informasi natural habitat di Huchtinger Fleet. Ekosistemnya, binatangnya apa aja yang dilindungi. Dulu ada papan peringatan kayak gini, diabaikan aja naik sepeda terus jatuh pertama kali dan satu-satunya jatuh sepedaan di Jerman sini. Terus ini ada tempat buat jalan kaki. Ini jalan ke atas rawa-rawa aslinya. Ada peringatan awal pohon jatuh.
Here there is a place to walk. This road goes above the swamp, but this is closed, because there are invasive plants, so there is a closed area that we are not allowed to pass, because it is feared that our shoes or bicycle wheels will carry seeds or carry shoots that can spread these invasive plants to other areas. So the senator closed the area to be handled first. The people here like this place for trekking, walking, cycling, especially in the fresh autumn. So by cycling here, it provides an opportunity to reconnect with nature, refresh yourself, feel the beauty of nature around you, sunset, see the twilight. So it's not just cycling, but also this is a trip to refresh yourself and refresh your mind. There is a house in the middle of the plantation. There is a mobile home, a house, then this is a cornfield. The access road from there is a continuous road. This is a dead end around the plantation. Only access to this house is really nice. This is a house in the middle of the plantation.
Tengah perkebunan. Ada rumah. Di sini kebun jagung. Akses jalannya dari sana ini jalan. Terus ini kelilingnya kebun. Ini buntu. Cuma akses ke rumah ini. Enak bener nih rumah di tengah kebun. Ini ekosistem kebun juga dijaga ini. Diarah untuk lulusan arah ke kebun atau ketemu Mica.